Today, we are at MetLife Stadium for Hot 97 Summer Jam.
The weather has been crap. It just finished pouring down monsoon style, so we got a little bit of break of it now, so we'll just have to see how things go. Of course, all the gear that we got here is Adamson. We've got main, side, and a 270 hang. So the main hang is 21 E15s, 3 E12s. Side hang is 20 E15s. 270 is 12 S10s. Front pills, there's 8 S10s, and then a big grand total of 72 E119s on the ground.
I'm happy to get away with no delay towers. This is good. This is what people have been telling me I can do for some time now. And as I say, we're hitting the back of this stadium here, no problems at all in the top tier. And that's a big throw. That's over 350 feet. So we've got a really good throw on it. And the high end is right there in your face. It keeps its integrity as you move back through the stadium. And we've got a really nice transition between the mains and the sides and the 270s. Although we changed boxes on the 270s down to the S10s from the E15s, the transition between the two, still really nice and seamless. The subs have got some power. These guys don't know it yet, but we're backing them off. There's a lot of power there. There's a lot of low energy traveling all around this stadium. A surprising amount for myself. I wasn't expecting quite that much, and it's huge. It's huge.
I had an awesome time on the Adamson. Incredible. Low end, like my pant legs were just going on certain tracks, and I was like, okay, I just want to turn it up, but I was, so mindful of the audience that I didn't want to really kill them, but I had an awesome time with that, so it was good tonight.
Oh, banging. Felt natural too. Punchy, really punchy. I could hit him pretty hard, and I can feel him moving with me, which is nice. The deployment was amazing. Coverage was great.
If you have 5 guys on stage, it's not fair to give one guy to be up front all the time. So it's kind of like, you have to find that blend where everybody sits at the same image, but, kind of get them to cut through amongst each other. With no rehearsal, with anything like that, it's kind of difficult. But once that's done, you're good to go.
Well, the thing that I really like today is a lot of the work that I usually have to do in my process was done for me. Like I brought up my vocal, and I was like, oh, okay. I can kind of put back some of those things that I usually cut, and it sounded great. I didn't have to work a whole lot to get things to sound like they should sound.
The rigging of it has been a joy to work with. It was really quick to go up, really easy to go up. The amplifier and processing being together makes all the networking of it a lot easier and quicker to put together. I can get from starting to ready to go quicker. And that's a really big feature within our industry because of time frames and everybody wanting everything done now.
Yesterday, I was here for a sound check. Today, I got, again, and what I did yesterday stayed constant today. And, with the energy of the audience, and, when you get that as an artist, as myself, or an artist on stage, you see us start to react differently and do things differently. And PAs are really important for that because it's like almost a paintbrush in your hand. You know what I'm saying? You get a certain energy, you want to do certain things. And when you want to do certain things and you can do it and you hear that happening, then you're like, yes, now I'm creating an experience that I'm filtering through my personality. So it was great, man.
Do you think you take this PA out?
Oh, 100%, yeah.
Oh, absolutely. When and where? When and where? Absolutely, absolutely. I would love to actually get my hands deeper into it and start from ground up. Not just to walk onto it, but definitely, absolutely.
Everything, has its own application and is better in that application. This really compares and competes, really, on every level. It's up there, it's up there. I'd be happy to work with this system anytime.